New transformation video. Audi A5 in a Local Vinyls color. Let's get it cleaned, let's get it prepped, and I'll show you the new color. Once the car has been outside, we can move on to this assembly where we remove all the window trims. Also the door cards need to come off on this one so we can get the wing mirrors out as the wiring looms running through the door. Then we move on to the door handles, the badges, lights are coming out, and also the rear diffuser. All the parts are disassembled now, lights out, door handles off. Next up, we've got waxes there, surface cleaner. We will go over the car, get it prepped, get it nice and clean, and then we can show you the new wrap. Before I forget as well, we do have some cool car related merch available on our website. We've also put a link in the description if you want to go check it out and grab something. Let's go get this prepped. Local Vinyls, the color that the car is going in is satin black. So not only the full wrap, we also are going to do the dechrome around the windows. The back badge is going to be black as well. There'll be a full blackout, should look sick. Now that the car has been fully cleaned, we can move on to prepping the panels that we are going to be laying down. So we roll out the material across the side of the car, cut every panel out, and then before we can move on to laying the material down, we give the panel a quick wipe down again just to get rid of any little bits of dust or dirt that it might landed on there. We can then go ahead and lay the material down. I like to start with an easier panel like the back door first, just to have a little feel of the material and see what we're working with, just to see if we need any tack reducers or anything like that. Once we are happy with that, once the panel is laid down, we can move on to stretching the door handles in. Important thing with this material is post heating, so as soon as you've got any bit of stretch in there, you do want to post heat it really a lot, otherwise it'll not kill the memory of the material, and everywhere that you've stretched it in, it will pop back out. Once the back door was done, we could move on to the rear quarter panel, which is a little bit trickier than the back door, obviously, as the size of it's a lot bigger, it's a lot trickier, a lot more curves, a lot more trims to work around, but we are smashing through it. The material is laying down nicely. Got the front door off. One simple reason, well, two simple reasons. The car is white. To cover white car fully black, we're not going to be able to wrap inside there, which is behind the front wing, so we had to take the door off just for this little lip. Not extremely big job, but here we go, it's off. Once the door was off, we can then put it on our stand, and Jay can go ahead, start prepping it and laying it down. Once we are done with the passenger side and the bonnet, we can move on to the driver's side. Now that the driver's side is done and we've had plenty of practice, we can move on to the front bumper, which is the hardest part on most cars. We're going ahead, rolling the material out on the bumper, cutting off all the excess that we don't need around the front grille area. Yes, it's a lot of waste, but if it's getting in the way, it's not gonna help with the job. And once the excess was cut off, we can move on to the sides, stretch them across, glass the material out, just get it all squeegee down and tucked in around the grille areas. While I am still finishing off the front bumper, Jake is moving on to the dechrome around the windows. This time we are doing it in gloss black, just to break it up a little bit against the satin black wrap. And I think it'll make it stand out, but be nice and aggressive at the same time. Once all the dechrome was done and we had finished wrapping the doors, they could then be placed back on, and we are moving on to dechroming the front bumper trim while I'm doing the rear bumper and moving on to wrapping it. And just like that, we've achieved the full blackout. That is the last wipe down of the Audi A5. A big transformation, a drastic transformation from white to black. So a little bit more challenging than usual, because it is very hard to hide the white color with the black one, because the colors are so drastically different. So it was a little bit trickier. We had to remove the doors, strip the car back a little bit more than we would have liked to, but the finish speaks for itself. Massive shout out to our Loco Vinyls for supplying the material on this one. Wax is dead as always with the preparation, the washes and the finishing product. And hope you like the video. We'll see you in the next one.